Alright, let's cut through the hype and get real about the TCL C8L for 2026. There's a lot of noise out there, some saying it's a game changer, others calling it just another marketing ploy. So, what's really up? First off, yes, the C8L is legit. No scams here. This is TCL's flagship, rolling out globally and making a splash in places like South Africa and parts of Europe. TCL is already the #2 TV brand in the world, so this isn't some sketchy pop-up brand. Now, let's talk specs. The selling point? SQD Mini LED technology. Translation? It's packing extreme brightness, up to a wild 6,000 nits on those massive 85 and 98-inch models. That means if you've got a sun-filled living room, this TV laughs at glare. But it's not just about brightness. There are over 4,000 local dimming zones, so you get those deep inky blacks without that annoying bloom effect. TCL also claims 100% BT 2020 color coverage. Basically, colors look super lifelike and vibrant. Think next-level sunsets and neon cityscapes. Gamers, listen up. Native 144 Hz refresh rate, and you can even crank it up to 288 Hz. Fast-paced action? Super smooth. Plus, premium sound by Bang & Olufsen, with actual high-end speakers built in. No more relying on weak TV audio. How about the price? For South Africa, you're looking at around 30,000 Rand for a 75-inch, 35,000 Rand for an 85, and, get this, almost 100,000 Rand for the gigantic 98-inch. Not cheap, but you're getting a flagship experience. So, is the TCL C8L a scam? Nope. It's a serious contender, going head-to-head with Samsung and Sony's best. If you want cutting-edge TV tech in 2026, this is one to watch. Catch you next time.